guys, welcome back to the channel. It is our last day in Edinburgh today.
It is. We've had 5 lovely, windy, rainy, blustery days.
Full of cold and pain, but loads of beauty and amazement. So we are flying out this evening. So we're checking out of Edinburgh 9. What a lovely apartment.
Yeah, this is really nice. Really nice.
Just so comfy, cosy.
Convenient.
Very convenient, quiet. Bed's been amazing. I've slept really well. I would definitely recommend.
Absolutely. With our final day, we decided to go down to Leith, which is another part of Edinburgh that's down by the water. It's like a little kind of villagey, harbour type
kind of
thing.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're going to spend the day down there. Don't really know what we're going to do, but we're just going to wander around and have a look and see what's about. There is was it the Royal Britannia?
Yeah, the Royal Britannia yachts.
Yeah, we're going to look at prices. We're going to wing it. Yeah. We might do it, we might not. So we can't promise anything because we spent quite a lot of money already.
We might just wander around a little bit and have a nice sit down and look and
be old.
Yeah. But we do have breakfast booked at 10 o'clock. I don't know what possessed me to book it at 10 o'clock. So we need to get the tram.
Yes.
Down to Leith. It's Rose Leaf. I think we're going for breakfast.
Okay.
They do a breakfast on a shovel. That's why I've booked it.
Ooh.
For him.
I've only had... Oh, actually, I haven't had a full English breakfast this time.
You haven't had a breakfast?
No, I haven't had a full English breakfast, so if that is available, I think that's what I'll be having.
Oh, okay then. And guys, don't forget to hit that like button, share and comment on any of the videos that we have done in Edinburgh. Take a look at the back catalogue. And then we've got, obviously, today, and we've got more content coming up as well. We're running. Not the little, the big inn.
The big inn. There's a little skillet. Loads of lovely crispy bacon.
Oh.
It's bangers. It's literally a full English with haggis as well.
And black pudding.
Literally got everything in the one. Then there's mushrooms.
Oh, where's the mushrooms?
Down there.
Oh no.
What have you got?
I've got the biggest French toast I've ever seen. All that.
Can you pour your maple syrup on?
Can do. Oh yeah.
Enough?
For now.
For now.
You get your own plot.
so give it a bite.
Oh yeah, that's the stuff.
That's a good coffee, that. Wow. Can you find the bread or?
That is mental. Look at that.
Nice.
That is amazing.
They don't skimp on the bacon, do they?
I doubt it.
I've got my own tweet.
Rose Leith. What a lovely little find. Only on behalf of Catterbot that I watch on YouTube. Sorry for the noise.
Fast, drive fast on these cobble streets. Don't give a shit, do they?
So we've had our brekkie.
Yes,
I had the French toast with a shit ton of bacon.
The big yin, which is like basically a full Scottish breakfast on a skillet. And yeah, again, there was loads of bacon on mine as well as haggis and black pudding. Had everything in there. Everything but the kitchen sink.
And then I had a tea, but it was a loose leaf tea. And it was very posh.
Yeah.
Nice china.
Even my cappuccino looked really posh.
Yeah, and you had a heartbeat juice as well.
Yeah, that was really nice, just refreshing. Get you started for the day.
Yeah. So that all came to under 40 quid, which is a bargain for the amount of food and the quality of food.
Yeah, they give you a lot of food, and it was really good quality. The bacon was like streaky and really crispy. Yes, some of the best haggis I've ever had. Black pudding was done really well, really good black pudding. You know, I got my parameters when it comes to full English breakfasts, or Scottish in this case, and it had everything and then some.
My French toast was fluffy. You had your own container of maple syrup, and I drenched it.
Yeah, there wasn't nothing left in the bottle when you were done.
I drenched it. And half a pig on there for the amount of bacon. Yeah. There is no denial. There is no qualms.
No.
There is no arguments.
There was no arguments.
No arguments.
It is a 5-star chef's kiss. Yeah. Like, it was one of the best breakfasts I've had in a while.
Yes,
really,
indeed.
really good. Like, they should be very proud of themselves what they're putting together there, because it's just everything was just done with care, love, and it tasted amazing.
So yeah, if you're in Leith, come to Rose Leith.
Definitely check it out. So yeah, now we're just gonna, I think we'll wander down to the harbour and have a little look around.
Little wonder.
I think we're about to do history with the Masons.
Harpoon gun, yeah. This harpoon gun came from a whale catcher run by a former Leith company, Christian Salvesen. From 1910 onwards, they had one of the world's largest whaling fleets, all registered here in Leith.
History?
They hunted whales.
Oh yeah. It looks like you're only going to get a good view of it if you pay and go in. There's some flags over there. We're going to walk around that side and see if we can get a better shot of it. But it looks like it's a little bit hard to see. Yep, so we're on the other side, and once again, you're not allowed to go anywhere near it. So if you want to see this, guys, you're going to have to pay money to go and see it, which I understand, but it really can't hurt to have a nice little walkway to at least have a look at it. But now they decided just to chuck this up and stop any random person from seeing it.
We're going to head back into the city.
Yeah.
Very disappointed at the Royal Yacht Britannia.
Yeah, that was, for me, a big cop-out.
Really disappointed.
Yeah, it just doesn't make sense to me. There's so many other, like, ships and attractions all over this country that are out in the open for you to go and have a look at, and then you can choose to go inside and look at the whole museum structure of it.
Yeah.
But to have the Royal Yacht Britannia literally safeguarded with a shopping centre and a car park.
Yeah, so there's a big shopping centre in front of it, and then there's like just fences and car
Barriers
parks and yeah.
You just cannot get anywhere near it unless you pay for it and go onto it.
I just think it's a shame.
I think it's a little bit unfair, really. I think it's a little bit outrageous considering the fact that, like I said, there's so many other ones out there that you can just wander and have a look.
Yeah, have a look on the harbour, just have a look at the boat.
I don't see what the problem with that is. I don't see why that's such a big deal.
Don't know, but yeah, that was one of the reasons I wanted to come down here, was just to have a look at it, but we didn't, so we're out of ideas now. There's not much to do in Leith.
Yeah, we just realised it's a little bit of a disappointment. Leith is, say the breakfast was really nice, a couple of cute pubs and everything. It's quiet, but there's not really a lot going on.
We've only got a couple of hours until we have to go to the airport anyway. We haven't got long.
Yeah, so I think we'll pop back and just maybe wander, maybe pop to one last pub, chill out before we head home. So, back in the city.
Yeah.
And you want to go sit in a Brewdog.
Yeah.
Being as Brewdog came from Edinburgh.
Yeah.
Yeah, sit in a Brewdog for a bit.
Yeah, until our flight.
Yeah. Bloody hell, it's a big Brewdog. Little berry sour. It does look dang, doesn't it? Coca-Cola.
Wow.
It's so nice.
That's it. The berry pavlova.
Berry pavlova. She's done a wonderful pavlova. Oh, so good.
Oh, it smells nice.
It's nice, isn't it?
That is nice. That's not too sour.
No. Sarah's not hungry, but I've got a funny feeling she might have a bite of one of these. No? So, one more for the road. I'm going to have to get some wings from Brewdog, because we haven't been to Brewdog yet.
Some little wingings. What flavour did you get?
I got the Korean barbecue.
Yeah.
With their
Sriracha
dip.
They're good.
They're so crispy, juicy. Love wings.
Time to get on that old dusty train.
Time to call it a day.
Bye bye, Castle. Bye bye.
It is the end.
It is time.
Sorry for the echo. We're in the foyer of our place that we stayed.
Just picking up our luggage to go to the airport.
Yes. So this is the end of the vlog series and this video, because we didn't pick up any wares.
No wares today.
No. Say Leith was a bit of a disappointment.
Leith was a bit of a disappointment.
The Royal Yacht Britannia, as I've said before, was a massive disappointment. Just the fact you couldn't even go anywhere near it.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's annoying. But we chilled, relaxed.
Banging breakfast.
Popped to the Brewdog to finish things off.
Yes.
And then one last look at the castle.
So I hope you've enjoyed our little jaunt up to bonny old Scotland. And now that we know how to fly.
How easy it is.
How easy it is. We can explore more of Scotland then.
Absolutely. So we will definitely be back here again, but we'll probably be back and do some other things at some point as well.
Thank you for watching all the videos if you have. If you haven't, go and look at the back catalogue. We've got another 5 videos floating about.
Yeah, well there's 4 in this one that makes the 5, and then we're going to have, like as we said before, a special kind of Edinburgh Castle thing, so that's separate. So keep a lookout for that because that will come after all this. So like, subscribe, share, find us on all the socials, find us on
TikTok,
and find us on
buy me a coffee.
And if we don't see you before,
We'll see you after.
bye!
Take care, guys.